So what are we doing, bro?
It's already cleaned it. If you want it, you grab the parts.
You're on YouTube.
Say what?
Me and Ron are welding up my subframe for my s13.
Like this.
Doing the gusset plates.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Perfect, dude. Just the top welds. Not too bad. For a beginner, right? Hashtag self-taught. So we're gonna go get the suspension arms to do this one. Right? Run. That way we can make sure the clearance is good.
Yeah.
And then we'll get those welded in and then do the diff cover.
Oh, diff cover, we don't need that.
We need some bolts though.
Yeah.
Do you have them?
Uh-huh.
You do? Because the ones I have are still on the diff, on the car.
I have those, you have those in that one.
You
can use that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, so yeah, that's it. It's coming up good. Super easy. I think that's it. I guess the idea behind this is that it'll prevent the subframe from cracking from all the stress from drifting and stuff like that in the future. This diff has like the subframe has no issues though, huh?
It's preventing driver for not fucking up.
Yeah.
It's for novice.
Yeah. Gonna do the subframe bushings and drop this off to Wheel Concepts for powder coat. And that's about it.